when we want to get something from the user, your customer, the person sitting on the other side of the keyboard, we use the input function. And like I said earlier with the print function, we use the function name and then we're going to use parentheses. So it looks like this. We could ask for a username and a person's name, and then we can assign it to a variable. So following our variable naming rules, we would have first name equals. And so if I were just assigning a variable here, I would just put in quotes and a name. But if we want to get it from the user, we use the keyword input. And the input needs to include a prompt to the user. So we will have our parentheses, and this can wrap on lines. What is your name? And that will display on the screen. Whatever is typed in by the user will be stored in the first name. And then if we wanted to do output, we would do print first name or print hello plus first name or something like that. Now, if we want to get numeric input, we would do something like this. Age equals input. How old are you? So again, this is our variable. Equals is assigning whatever's inputted by the user. This is what's prompted on the screen. So if we get 42, everything coming in from input automatically comes in as a string. So if what they put in is 42, then age is equal to 42. That's not going to work when we go to print it. So if we want to do some sort of math with it, we can do numeric age equals, we can convert it by saying int, and then this is a function, so this is a function name, and so we put in the variable age. So new variable name, num underscore age, equals, that's assigning it to the result of this, which is converting age, which came in as a string here, into an integer. Then we could do math with it. So for your final portion of your program for the Mad Libs, instead of assigning things at the top where you have name equals Matthew, you're going to do something along the lines of name equals input enter a first name. And that will allow us to store user data in the name variable. And that should allow you to go on and create that final piece of the Mad Libs program. We're also going to do a little bit of work with calculations this week. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about working with those mathematical variables that we were able to get here. So when we get input, we will convert it, and then we'll do some processing with it.